simply just an incredible day. All the passionate people that we have in our industry. I think it was super nice to mingle with people. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Astera Unplugged event here today. My name is Jesper and I work for Astera, and we just finished an incredible event here at Procom. A lot of industry professionals basically came, and I'm super happy with all the feedback, the questions, and also the passion that people share for what we do in this industry. This is 2003 where we made the first LED product. 2005 is the first wireless tube and controller. Maybe you guys know the Titan tube, which is the newest tube that we made back in 2018. I think it's important that the ecosystem is understood, but also what capabilities and what people can do with the whole ecosystem. Because no matter what light you are looking at when it comes to the Astera products, everything fits within the same ecosystem. Once the lights have been paired to the Astera app, we can see the lights in the app. In theory, the amount of lights you can pair to the app is in theory unlimited. One other thing we touched base on was the Titan LED engine, which is in most of our products nowadays. It's only a few left, which is a bit older, but the color quality, the color consistency, this is important to us, and I feel that people also share the same excitement for colors like we do in Astera. So a general introduction to our product line, but also introduction more in details to the 4 latest released products, which is the LunarBulb 3.5 watt LED, utilizes our Titan engine. This is the Astera lights displayed in max runtime. The QuikSpot, the QuikPunch, which makes the whole Quik family, and then we also at the end had the newly released SolaBulb, which just started shipping. So that I'm super happy about. All in all, simply just an incredible day. All the passionate people that we have in our industry is also what makes me and also Astera thrive and move forward.